Could tens of thousands of students be kicked out overnight, sanctuary cities forced to turn people in, and California's clean car future crushed? All by one man? California's top legal warrior is gearing up for battle. Here's why it matters to us all. Ibrikyo California stepping into the ring once again. And this time, though, the fight isn't just about politics. It's about people, rights, and the future of the planet. California's Attorney General, Rob Bonta, isn't holding back as he faces down what he calls a full-blown legal assault from the Trump administration, one that targets students, immigrants, and even California's fight against climate change. Let's break it down. First, education under threat. The Biden administration had allowed thousands of Chinese students to study in the US, many of them in California. But now, the Trump administration is preparing to revoke their visas, a move that could impact 50,000 students in California alone. So what can the state do? Attorney General Rob Bonta says students have rights. The right to due process and the right not to be discriminated against simply because of where they come from or what they believe. He points out that Trump has tried this before and was forced to back down. If it happens again, California is ready to take legal action. We'll step in if freedoms are being violated, Bonta says. Our constitution is clear, and we'll go to court if we have to. Next, the immigration showdown. The Trump administration has flagged 48 California counties and cities, including major hubs like Los Angeles, San Francisco, and San Diego, as sanctuary jurisdictions, and ordered them to fall in line with mass deportation policies. But here's the thing. California says, not so fast. According to Bonta, California is focused on tackling real crime, things like robbery, rape, and burglary, not chasing down undocumented immigrants for civil infractions. And the courts are on his side. In fact, a federal ruling already supports California's right to prioritize local safety over federal immigration enforcement. They can't force us to do their job, Bonta says. That's not how the Constitution works. Then, the environment and clean cars. California has led the charge to phase out gas-powered cars by 2035, but now Trump wants to tear that up, backing a Republican Senate bill that would cancel California's green future. Bonta is livid. This is a pro-polluter, anti-health, anti-innovation move, he says, and it's illegal. He points out that California has received over 100 environmental waivers over the years, never once challenged like this, using a technical rule called the Congressional Review Act to block these waivers has never been done before. And experts, including the Government Accountability Office, say it's not even allowed. California's green policies don't just help the state, they set this one standard for the country. And if Trump succeeds here, the ripple effect could undo climate progress nationwide. The bigger picture, the fight for democracy. Bonta is joining other Democratic attorneys general in Seattle to take a stand against what they say is a pattern. Trump using the legal system to bend the rules, suppress rights, and sideline the Constitution. And California isn't just talking, it's taking action. In just 18 weeks, Bonta's office has filed 23 lawsuits against Trump's administration, and they're winning most of them. We're using the courts to stop illegal actions, because when rights are under attack, we don't back down. We fight, and we win, he declares. Closing message. This isn't just a California story. It's about who we are as a country and how far we're willing to go to protect democracy, defend people's rights, and fight for the future. Whether it's the right to study, the right to stay, or the right to breathe clean air, these battles affect all of us. So stay tuned. because this legal fight is just getting started, and it could reshape America's future.